Hey guys, I just found something amazing on my windowsill. Let's go check it out. Isn't that cool? Okay guys, comment down below if you think that is amazing or not, and tell me if you have a baby bird's nest, yes or no. Bye.